What if I told you that today major gynecological procedures can be done with tiny incisions, less pain, quicker recovery, and unmatched precision? So, hello, I am Dr. Sonam Tiwari, a robotic surgeon in Mumbai, and today let us discuss about what robotic surgery really is and how is it the future of women's health. So, what is a robotic surgery? A robotic surgery does not mean that the robot is performing your surgery. It is me who would be doing the surgery. So I sit at the console and the robotic arms mimic my hand movements with extreme precision and 3D vision. So it is the most amazing form of minimally invasive surgery that we have today. So in gynecology, where can we use robotic surgeries is if you have endometriosis, amazing results, hysterectomies, pelvic floor repairs, or if you have ovarian cysts, or even in cases of emergency, these are the places where robotic surgery can give you better results than laparoscopy or even open surgery. So the second question is that why robotic surgery? So let me break it down. It's very simple. Traditional or laparoscopic surgeries have greater incision compared to robotic, where the incisions are really tiny. They are like 8 mm incisions. The recovery in robotic is faster because there's less manipulation. The precision is higher. The vision is literally 3D. It's like I am inside your organ and performing the surgery. The vision is so clear compared to a laparoscopy where the vision is a 2D vision for the surgeon. Also for the surgeon it is better because I'm at comfort sitting at the console and performing the surgery. Like the movement of my hand is free, except for laparoscopy surgeries. Imagine if it's a long laparoscopy surgery going on for 3, 4, 8 hours and the surgeon is standing straight with the arms at not at rest. It tires the surgeon and then it gives the effects are seen in the surgery. So in those cases where I would say where there are deep endometriosis or repeat surgeries, robotic surgery gives a better result as compared to a traditional open or even laparoscopic surgeries. So thirdly, who can benefit? So if you are a candidate who has pelvic pain, bad dysmenorrhea, or deep endometriosis, or previous many other surgeries, not necessarily only gynac, even like any abdominal surgeries for that matter of fact, you are a perfect candidate for robotic surgery because there's a quicker recovery time. There is literally minimal tissue damage that is seen with robotic surgeries. I always say advanced surgery should mean better healing, and that's what robotic gynecology does for you. So if you are curious if robotic surgery is the right one for you or not, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to advise you on the safest and the most advanced things that are available in women's health. So for more honest conversations regarding fertility, surgeries, or even women's health, please subscribe and don't forget, women's health matters.